What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Happy Trails Outdoor Experience. My name is Ryan. That's Trixie. That's Ashley. And today we're obviously out on our canoe. The weather is beautiful and we're going to take full advantage of it. We went strawberry picking earlier today at a local farm, and now we're going to try to catch some fish. We're out here on a beautiful lake, and we're gonna see what we can't do. I usually do pretty well here at this lake. I have never left here disappointed. So we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna try to catch as many fish as we can, and we're just gonna kind of hang out and chill, and we're gonna have a good time. So with all that being said, sit back, relax, enjoy yourself, and get ready for an adventure, because you're coming with us. And if you enjoy our videos, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be uploading more videos weekly from now on. So thanks for watching, guys, and let's go ahead and get started with this fishing adventure here. All right, caught a little baby turtle, and he's not very happy with me, but he's pretty cool. See if we can't get an underwater release on this guy without dropping the GoPro. Now that was pretty cool. Now what we're gonna do, first things first, is we're gonna get some lines in the water because I want to catch some fish. Let's go. Just using regular old night crawler. Alright, well, there's fish number one. We got ourselves a little bluegill. Nothing too impressive, nothing crazy, but a fish is a fish. There's a lot of green sunfish in this place. They got a lot of bass, a lot of carp, and a lot of catfish. And I brought my good camera today so that if I see anything cool, I'll be able to zoom in really nice for you guys.
It was already wet, so I took it off because I need them to dry, and I was like, well.
Got something here. Oh, we got ourselves a little bass. Nice.
Oh, I have it open for a reason.
Nice little bass. Fish number two. There we go. Got our third species of the day. Got a little green sunfish. Alright, everyone. We already caught a few fish, but we have barely even broke the surface of this lake. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually work our way around to an inlet that I know about, and we're going to go back there and try to see if we can't catch some more bass and carp and catfish. And if we see anything along the way, we'll let you know, because there's lots of cool stuff around here. But yeah, we're gonna start moving down right now, so I will get back with you guys here in a second.
There's something that just jumped right in front of us there.
There's fish jumping all over the place out here. We just got to another spot, pulled up, ducked up to a tree so that we're not floating around everywhere. I just got a really good shot of a blue heron, which was awesome. He wasn't happy with us, but it was worth the shot. Anyway, when we pulled up to this spot, I saw lots and lots of fish. So I have high hopes that this spot right here is gonna do us some justice. So we're gonna see what we can't pull out of the water. As soon as I pulled up to this spot, I saw a bass. Got another bluegill real quick.
Are you thirsty or something? Oh.
Ah, I got myself a little green sunfish. I love catching green sunfish. They're very aggressive. They're kind of like a bluegill, but they fight like a bass. Oh man, that's a nice fish.
Oh, it's like a carp?
It is a carp. That was fast. I got him on a bobber. He must have just been sitting there. He got that quick. Get him in the net. And he's in the boat. Oh. Well, I think that's species number 4, because we got a bluegill, green sunfish, a bass, and now we have a carp. Species number 4. And in he goes. And we're on to the next one.
He's throwing a fit.
Yeah, he was not happy. Alright guys, so this is pretty cool. I figured I'd show you. We're just floating around out here. We were going to our next spot over here. We're on our way. And as you can see, this is completely surrounded by water. But look what we found. In this nest there are 2 little baby birds hanging out. That's pretty cool. And mama bird's right there watching us. She's a little concerned that we're near her nest. She was on her babies whenever we came through. I'm pretty sure we're not bugging her too much, but just figured I'd show you that. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, we found ourselves a nice little shady spot to give ourselves a break from the sun and the heat. Trixie was getting kind of hot, so I'm going to fish this spot for a little while and see what I can do. Might fish the bottom, might use a bobber, use different tactics, see what I can come up with, and then I think we're going to go see the spillway, which is a really cool spot. So, alright guys, I will keep you posted. Oh, look at that. We got ourselves one of those crappie. I love fishing at this lake because you really never know what you're going to pull out. I've caught decent bass out of here. I've caught carp, catfish, all kinds of good stuff. And that's a pretty fish. You get a little bit bigger than this, but nice. In you go. All right, cast them back out there and see what else there is for us. All right, everybody, I've managed to hook onto a good fish here. Well, got species number 5. Get him in the net, in the net. Oh, he got off. It was a catfish. We're gonna go for another one, so stay tuned. And so here's a pretty cool sight. all those little splotches that you're seeing on that log right there are very, very old chicken of the woods. One of my favorite mushrooms to eat. And if I would have been here while all of that stuff was ripe, there's one right there, there. It goes all the way up this log. And the stuff tastes great. I would have been taking it home with me, but at least I know it's there. Maybe here in a couple months I'll come back and maybe, just maybe, it'll be fruiting again. So I'm gonna remember that, and we might have to come back to this. So that's a pretty good flush. But we're gonna go check out the spillway now. We've sat here for probably a half hour and caught a couple of fish. Nothing crazy. Caught the catfish, but he got off. So we're gonna go over to the spillway and check out what we can see over there. So stick around, guys. Hey guys, we are out of the boat officially, and we're going to explore the spillway. I'm gonna grab a fishing pole. We're gonna go see what kind of damage we could do down there. Yeah! Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Go! Go! Alright guys, this is the spillway. And we usually do pretty good down here. So we're gonna see if we can't catch ourselves any fish out of here real quick. So we were walking past it anyway, and I said, screw it. We're gonna see if we can't do anything down here. First, before I go fishing, I'm gonna go down here at the bottom and see if I can't catch a snake real quick. Because I love reptiles, so I'm gonna look for some snakes and some turtles real quick while I'm down here. Alright guys, there's a snake right over here. I'm gonna see if I can catch him. He's right there. The last one I caught down here let me walk right up to him. He's on to me. It's alright. I still see him. See if we can't just grab him out of the water, huh? There he is. Keep him in the water until we can get to shore. He's less likely to try to bite me that way. I'm gonna use my fishing pole as a snake stick. Alright. Look at that guy. It's not too bad. How about that? Been down here for like 2 minutes, already caught a snake. Let's see if I can just grab him. Oh, he's not threatened by me at all. He just let me grab him up. This snake is not aggressive at all. It's pretty cool. He's definitely not happy with me handling him, but I wouldn't be either. That's pretty cool. I knew we would find a snake down here. Now, if I could find a turtle to top it off, that'd be great. He's probably down here eating minnows and bugs and small frogs, all kinds of cool stuff. But we're gonna let this guy go. And there he goes. Alright guys, so we have a beautiful green sunfish right below us here protecting her fry. There's probably 1,000 little baby green sunfish right below me, and its mother is protecting its nest. And I want to see if I can get an underwater shot of this for you guys, because this is pretty cool. Green sunfish are beautiful. underrated. But I want to see if I can get this underwater shot for you guys. And as you can see, even Trixie's getting in the water over there, which is rare. Trixie doesn't usually voluntarily go into the water, but there you have it. That's something you don't see every day. Come here, girl. Come see me. Come see me.
You're going to like the deepest part.
Go! Go! She definitely wiped out that time. I got that on camera. Trixie, did you fall? Go! Come see me. You good girl.
Her front feet.
I saw her skid her face in the grass. You're crazy, Tritty Pooch. All right, everybody. We are down at the bottom of the spillway here. We're gonna see if we can't catch ourselves some bass or something out of here real quick. All right, we got ourselves a fish on. Ooh, I got myself a nice bass. It looks like it. Oh, he's fighting. Yeah, it's a nice bass. Can't let him off. Oh, he's a chunky bass. He's a chunky bass. Ah, that's one of the nicer fish that I've landed today. Oh man, that's probably the fish of the day right there.
Unless you get something else.
Unless I get something else. That's the fish of the day as of right now. That is a really nice bass. Awesome. On to the next one. All right, guys, we got a fish. What do we got here? Oh, there we go.
What's that?
Ow! A catfish that just stabbed me.
You got stabbed?
Yeah, I got stabbed.
I got the first aid kit
I'll be okay.
in the boat.
I'll be all right. All right. Channel catfish on the board. I think that's species number 6 for the day. All right, let that guy go. He spiked me right here. Got me. Haven't been stabbed by a catfish in a pretty long time, but I'm gonna try for one more fish down here at the spillway, and then we're gonna head out. Go venture into different water. So stay tuned. Thank you. Good luck, guys.
He's already caught 20 and I have him only caught 2.
You guys been catching good ones, huh?
Right here.
Nice. Any bass?
Rock bass.
Not yet. A lot of rock bass right here.
There you go. Oh, there's a... I'm gonna get a shot of that. Alrighty guys, we have made it back to the most secluded part of this lake. And I love it back here. So we're gonna stay here and fish for a little while. Probably gonna hit the bottom pretty hard. Lots of carp back here. So we're gonna see what we can do. Isn't this just beautiful? Oh, I got a catfish. Species number, oh God, he got himself off. All right, well, better him than me. This is another catfish, not the same type as we caught before. This is a yellow bullhead, and the other one that we caught earlier was a channel catfish. So this is like, is it species number 6 or what? All right, you guys aren't gonna believe this, but I just had another fish biting. I don't know if you guys can hear the owl that's out here with us, but he is loud. Lots of nature here today. So far, I have no idea what's on my line right now, but I will tell you guys this. My pole just almost went into the water entirely. Like, whatever's on the end of my rod right now, definitely just try to pull this rod into the water. Is it the carp I wanted? Is it a big catfish? Is it a bass? I don't know what this is. It's fighting like a carp. I haven't seen it yet. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a nice catfish. All right. In the boat. In the boat. Let's go. This is a decent sized channel cat. The same kind that spiked me earlier. He's in the boat. He's making noises at me. Right, there you have it, guys. There's a decent channel cat. I'm gonna throw him back and put another hook on my line. And we're gonna get back to it.
Well, it's almost 8 o'clock.
And now it's snack time. I got my granola bar here. Oh crap, I got another fish. No, he got off. Cast it back over there.
It's like you said, every time you're distracted.
As I was saying, snack time. Gonna eat my granola bar, some beef jerky, an apple or two, maybe some tuna. We're gonna sit here a little while longer. We're actually doing pretty good here. There's a lot going on. We're listening to the frogs barking over there. There's a lot of them, it sounds like. There's an owl, like I said. There was a couple deer that were just walking back and forth there. It's a pretty active spot, but I would expect that from the part of the lake where nobody comes. I think I'm getting a fish. I think I'm getting a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish. I don't know what it is, but I got a fish. Come on, buddy. Ooh, I got another catfish.
Wow. They're very active here.
Yeah. It's another little channel cat. He is not happy. He's bleeding a little bit, but I didn't get him in the gill. So I'm gonna throw him back. I'm gonna fix our worms. We're gonna throw this back out there. And we're gonna try for another one. We're having a good day here, guys. Catching all kinds of fish. I even caught a decent bass today, which makes me a happy man. All right, we got another one. Another catfish. Another little channel cat. It's another little guy, but we'll take him. Get him off the hook. Alrighty. On to the next one. Got me another one. Got me another one. What is that? Ooh, I got a carp. Don't let him. Hey, carp always love to fight. That's what carp do. Let's see here. Get my net real quick. Get this carp in the boat. Not very big, but it's a carp. I will take it. Alright, let's get this hook out of him. Not going to be able to. I'm going to have to cut the line. I don't know why, but I forgot my my pliers today. So, there's a carp. Nice. I think we might be changing positions here very shortly, guys. So, I'm going to put another hook on this rod, and we are going to carry on. Alright, guys. All right, everybody, this is all the time that we have for the adventure today. Thanks for coming along with us. If you would like to, click like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all the support that we can get. I'm tired. Trixie's tired. Ashley's getting tired. And it's getting kind of cold out here. The fish are starting to slow down on the bite. So we're going to get out of here. We're going to start making our way back to the car. Next week, I think we might be going camping, so that will be really cool. Be sure to tune in for that one. And yeah, so today was pretty cool. We caught a lot of fish. We saw a lot of animals, so that was also really, really awesome. And it was beautiful all day long. So anyway, guys, I will see you next week here on the Happy Trails Outdoor Experience in the Great Outdoors. All right, guys.